Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure your base precisely. Pour 1/2 cup peanut butter into a bowl or blender jar and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon neutral oil such as canola, vegetable, or light olive oil to start thinning. That ratio produces a pourable but still creamy texture. Optional additions include 1 teaspoon warm water for extra fluidity, a pinch of salt to balance flavor, or 1 teaspoon honey for sweetness. Prepare a spatula to scrape the sides and a measuring spoon to add liquids incrementally. For fastest results, use a blender. Pulse on medium for 30 to 60 seconds, then blend continuously until smooth and pourable. If using a whisk, beat vigorously while adding liquids 1 teaspoon at a time and scrape the bowl frequently. Expect 3 to 5 minutes of effort. To loosen refrigerated peanut butter, microwave on medium for 10 to 20 seconds, stir, and continue if needed. A double boiler over low heat also works. Stir constantly to avoid scorching and stop when texture is consistent. Transfer the finished liquid peanut butter into an airtight jar and refrigerate. It will thicken but remain pourable and keep up to 2 weeks. For immediate reuse, warm 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave or stir vigorously to restore a pourable consistency. Use the liquid form in smoothies, salad dressings, peanut sauces, or as a dessert drizzle. Measure portions since caloric density remains high. Label the jar with the date, and always stir before each use, because natural oils may separate over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.